everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. In today's video I have got a load of new bits from Collection. They have extended their filter finish range, which obviously came out a little while ago now, but they have added new products, so I'm going to be diving into these, giving you my first impression. But I will say I have got some opinions on Collection recently. I have been noticing over maybe a year or two now, I don't feel like Collection are all that inclusive. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and I'm going to talk through like the products and I'm going to talk through my feelings on the products, but I would just like to say I would really like to start the conversation down in the comments about this, and I would like to keep it respectful if at all possible. I feel like this is a safe space, okay? So I've got opinions, I would love to know your thoughts as well, but let's keep it respectful in the comments. So first up, I've got all of the my base products on and everything. I'm looking very white and very pale, very light skinned, and that is my first problem, okay? I looked on the Collection Instagram when all of these products launched, and they were really hyping up all of these products, okay? They were talking about them for days and days and days, maybe even a number of weeks. They've been talking about this new range that's coming out. They were hyping it up, and when I looked at the posts that they were putting up on their Instagram when they actually like released all of the products and they told us exactly what was coming, I could buy literally every product. Every product would work for my skin tone. Every single one. So, you know, by default there, 0 products are going to work for a person with a deeper skin tone. Like if you are even like a medium to deep skin tone, these bronzers won't work, these blushes won't work, the setting powders probably won't work. And these products I feel like were so hyped, and they were really, you know, pushing the advertising on these. And I'm like, but you're just excluding so many people. And I feel like at the minute with all of the drama, I suppose, surrounding the Youthforia foundation, if you don't know, then look it up. I feel like voices are finally being heard. People are, you know, talking up and they are speaking out about the injustices in the beauty community. And then Collection come out with this bronzer, for example, which is the only, I mean, they brought out a few different face palettes. This is the deepest bronzer, and that is the perfect shade for me as a white woman. So if you want a setting spray, you're fine. If you want an eyeshadow palette, I mean, I haven't gotten into it yet, but there's deeper shades in the eyeshadow palettes. You've got liquid liners. But if you want base products to suit your skin tone, there isn't one. And I just don't know how we as a community get around that. So these products could be fantastic. They really, really could. But in my heart of hearts, do I feel that this is wrong? 100%. That's why I am sat here on the internet talking about it. Like, Collection, do better. And I don't know if they are coming out with more range, more more colours, more shades. I really hope that they will. I mean, before I sat down and started filming, and I'll get into it. Before I sat down and started filming this, I looked on their Instagram and I was, you know, looking through all their posts because I was like, I can't be the only one that feels this way. And I don't know if they're deleting comments or I don't know. I think I'm gonna try and message them on Instagram or something and see what they've got to say for themselves. But how can they bring out a whole new range that only works for the white people in society? Like, And I really would love to know if you have noticed this as well. Like, for a little while I've been noticing it with Collection, where they have like their bronzer sticks, the contour stick and the blush stick. They've only got one shade, and again, 100% it works on me, it works on my skin tone, but it's gonna, because I'm white. And there's just a complete disconnect, I feel, with the brand and like what society is, which is a big statement. And I hope that I am sort of wording this in the right way, because I don't want to say something wrong, but also I feel like I just need to say something, if that makes any sort of sense. So now that that ramble is over, I would love to know what your thoughts are on that. I've just been noticing it for a little while and I just wanted to get it off my chest. So I'm using the bronzer from the Face Duo Blush and Bronze, just using a little bit of that, and it's a really nice bronzy colour. Again, if you are my sort of skin tone. I feel like I'm really going to see Collection in a different light after this video goes up. I'm feeling opinionated. And like I say, I would just love to know what you think, if you notice this. So bronzer is lovely, like that's giving a really nice bronziness to the skin. You would expect it to do that. So I'm going to just take another brush into this blusher shade. This looks like a completely matte blush, which again is fine. Am I missing the part where there's any pigment in this blush? Like, I'm swirling. Swirling. Well, at least I hate it. The bronzer is fine. Works on my skin tone, wouldn't work on anybody deeper than me. But that blush, I've got other videos I want to film today. I'm going to have to put another layer of blush on from something else. Goodness. So this is the Miami Beach eyeshadow palette. I don't have the best experience with Collection eyeshadows. I'm just going to dip into this lightest shade. Yeah, I don't have the best experience with Collection eyeshadows. I find them quite difficult to work with. But that's actually more pigmented than like the other ones that I've tried. Just not very pigmented, and like fine for a little wash or something previously, but actually that colour is nicely pigmented. Okay, so I'm just working that sort of across my whole eye, winging it out a little bit. They had a few different options for new eyeshadow palettes. This one looks nice so far. Okay, this eyeshadow is nicely pigmented. This is definitely, I mean, I've only tried one shade, but that one shade is definitely better than previous ones that I've tried. So that's good. I'm happy. So I'm going to just take the same brush and I'm going to dip into the other matte shade, which is slightly darker. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, more so on the outer corner. So again, that colour is really nice. I'm not sure it would show up on much more of a deeper skin tone, like maybe on a medium skin tone, but not deep. And this was, I do believe, the darkest one off the top of my head. I can't remember, but it's working fine. I like the warmth of the shades. Like, they are really nice and like they're a nice colour selection. So I'm going to take the lightest shimmer, which does look, does look nice and reflective, and I'm just going to press that onto my eyelid. Yeah, I had enough there for both eyes. Yeah. I've definitely had a problem with the shimmers before, but these are really nice and reflective and pigmented. I like this eyeshadow. Definitely wasn't expecting that. I can safely say I wasn't expecting to hate the blush as much as I do, like, but the eyeshadow is working really, really nice. I am just going to use, I got the loose setting powder, which I don't love the packaging of, because it's just like the loose, was that even focused? It's just like the loose powder with like the holes in the top. It's fine, it's not my favourite sort of packaging. I don't feel like I need to set anything today. I have a very, very dry skin, so it's just, my foundation is just soaked straight into my skin and I don't need a powder today, but I am going to try the Filter Finish Flawless Skin Setting Spray. Blurs and perfects. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the packaging. Like, it feels really, really nice and like substantial and looks really expensive. So let's see. It says that this is a lightweight makeup fixing spray, which I can safely say I do not like the other setting sprays from Collection. These ones that they brought out last summer, I want to say, I hate them. Like I say, I've got feelings. So I hate that one because it's like the spittiest spray. It's aggressive. I like a really nice lightweight spray, so hopefully that's what this is. Helps to enhance your makeup's staying power and gives a soft, blurred skin perfected finish, infused with skin protecting soy milk probiotic complex that balances skin's microbiome. Shake well, hold bottle 10 centimeters away, close eyes and mouth and mist over the face 2 to 3 times. I can do that. So let's see what this spray is like. That was more than 2 to 3 times, wasn't it? That feels really nice. That is a lightweight spray. I feel like it's adding something to my skin, like it's making the skin juice up a little bit more. Is it necessarily making me look more dewy? I don't think so, but I'm having a particularly dry skin moment at the minute. It's finally started getting warm and my skin's like, I can't handle this. So I like the setting spray. I will report back on the powder. I will probably put that in another video coming up. So I got 2 other products for the eyes. I got the Fast Stroke Liquid Eyeliner. I already know that I love this eyeliner, but I got it in brown. I just love a brown liner at the minute. And I also got the Eyes on Me Volume mascara, and again I got this in brown, so I'm going for more of a natural sort of beachy brown eye look. So it says on the back of the mascara, achieve 3D volume in one application, jumbo brush amplifies lashes to create dramatic volume. I love a jumbo brush, so let's see what this one looks like. Goodness, she's huge. That really is a jumbo brush. So let's start with the liquid liner first. I feel like everybody has tried this liquid liner, the Fast Stroke, in the black, like it's a classic. Everybody's tried it. So I'm excited to see. It said that this was, I don't know if it was new packaging, new formula, I don't know, but let's see how this goes. Okay, so new and improved formula, I'm not sure. I like the colour. I hate the applicator. If you've seen any videos where I am doing a liquid liner, you will know I like a brush tip. This is a very firm felt tip, which I just find more difficult to use. I know a lot of people prefer that though. It's fine. It's a nice brown. I will absolutely use it. I will report back if this lasts well. If it's a new and improved formula, I wouldn't like to assume. The other one that I have tried, the black one, the fast stroke, it really is like long lasting. It's a good one for like all day wear, but obviously this is new and improved. It's a different colour, so I will report back. Then I'm going to try and layer up a good healthy layer of the mascara. So like I say, this is the Eyes on Me Volume Mascara. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so that's the mascara finished. I really like that mascara. I really like the colour of it. It's like warm enough that you can tell that it's not quite black. It's like a really nice sort of chocolatey warm brown that I think will be really flattering on a lot of sort of eye colours, and I feel like my eyes are looking so blue. I really like how that eye look has turned out. Like I say, I wasn't expecting to love the eye products. I thought the base products were going to be the ones that I love. I certainly do not, and I will say, whilst I was waiting in between the layers of mascara, I thought, let me just leave a comment on Collection's Instagram, and I will let you know down below if I get a reply before this video goes up. I put on one of their most recent posts on Instagram, "Hi, I've just tried out the Face Duo in the blush and bronze colourway." This one, the blush that is non-existent. And I'm wondering if there is a shade extension planned to include beauty lovers with deeper skin. I am a white, very pale woman, and the bronzer absolutely works for my skin tone, but I'm disappointed that this seems to be the darkest shade. I look forward to hearing from you soon. So, like I say, I will let you know if I hear from them before this video goes up, and I may well change my mind on a few things if they are planning on bringing out some more shades. If this is all that they have planned, if this is all that they're going to release, I'm disappointed. I don't think that any brand in 2024 should be releasing a whole like base collection. These are base products. I don't think that any brand should be bringing out a whole collection of new base products that can only work for me. I like that I can use these. I don't like that nobody of a deeper skin tone can. And I don't know how to move forward from that. Because yes, the bronzer is nice, the blush is not. So would I recommend this? No. The spray, yes, the spray will work for anybody. I accept that. It's not the best setting spray that I've ever used. It's nice enough. It is actually a nice thin sort of spray. I like the spray. I like the eyeliner, I like the mascara, and I like the eyeshadow. But I just don't know if I can move past the disappointment of the base products. So I would love to know if you have tried these. I would love to know what you think as well. Have you picked up on this range from Collection not being all that inclusive? Because I like I say, I would love to know what you think. I really want to keep this a very safe space for people to say what they feel without being nasty. But that is what I think of all of these products. I would love to know what you think down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will leave it down below if I get a reply from Collection about these products. But until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.